Hello and welcome to the morning bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching SW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. After the Delhi High Court rejected the petition filed by CM Arvind Kejriwal against his arrest by the ED, now he will move the Supreme Court against a High Court order. Yesterday, the High Court dismissed Mr. Kejriwal's plea. The High Court said that the arrest of Kejriwal was not in contravention of legal provisions. Maharashtra Navnirman Sena Chief Raj Thackeray has offered unconditional support to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and NDA for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. He had recently met the BJP leadership in Delhi. He recently also appeared to take a dig at Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, whose Shiv Sena party is a BJP alliance in the state. A woman in Bangalore has lodged a complaint with the police after she was scammed by a group of people and was made to strip on a video call. She was also allegedly duped of Rs 10 lakh by the fraudsters. She was contacted by some people on April 5 who claimed that they were officers with a custom department in Mumbai. The fraudsters claimed that there was a drug package in her name getting dispatched from Singapore. They asked her to strip on a video call for a narcotic test. Following this, they started blackmailing the woman by saying that they would upload the video online if she did not transfer Rs 10 lakh to their account. Veteran Congress leader and former Union Defence Minister A.K. Antony said that his son Anil K. Antony, who is contesting as a BJP candidate in the Lok Sabha seat in Kerala, should not win the election. He said his son should lose and his rival, the Congress candidate, should win with an absolute majority. BJP's Rajiv Chandrasekhar has come into EC's view after the Congress filed a complaint that the Union Minister misrepresented the information about his assets and income. The EC has directed the Central Board of Direct Taxes to verify any potential mismatch between actual and declared assets and income. A 9-judge constitutional bench of the Supreme Court cautioned the centre's rigid position to have exclusive control over industrial alcohol without giving states even the opportunity to regulate its inflow. The Congress party has accused the Narendra Modi government of giving clean check to Beijing after Union Home Minister Amit Shah claimed that China couldn't encroach a single inch of land under the Modi-led government. Congress said the Modi government makes it harder for India to deal with China's illegal encroachment each time when the BJP gives a clean check to China. Trinamool Congress TMC leaders who were detained by the Delhi police while staging a dharna outside the Election Commission's office ended their protest at Mandir Marg police station last night. AAP leader Saurabh Bhardwaj met the protesting TMC leaders who camped overnight at the police station. The TMC leaders' demand is to change the chief of the central agencies like ED, CBI, NIA and Income Tax Department. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching SW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.